Welcome to another hair hack video. Take one part of the hair and keep tying or making pigtails with the help of your hand. See, it gives you a ropey look. Then take the other part as well and then tie it again. Take the lower part of the ponytail and insert that plaited part inside the gaps of the ponytail. See how beautiful that looks. Then take the lower part of the hair and tie pigtails with those parts. Then give it a fluffy look, roll it upward and then secure it tightly with the help of 3-leg packing. You can also decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Take a rubber band and then clutch it from below. Then divide those two parts of the hair and then keep making plaits out of those two parts of the hair. The plait look complex enough to give you a beautiful look. It just looks like a wow. And then when you are done with this, crisscross the plait and then carefully and securely secure it with the help of a bobby pin above. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Roll that ponytail inward and then make it a gap. Take the lower part, insert it through the gap. Then take the lower part, divide it into two parts. Then take one part and keep tying pigtails with that part. Secure it with a rubber band. Repeat the same process with the other half of the hair as well. Then insert the plaited parts into the gaps and then tie it. Take your hair, crisscross it and then tie it in the form of a knot and then take one hair from the sides and keep tying plaits so that it gives you a ribbony meshy look. Keep tying your hair into the plaited part by taking small sections of the hair from every side. Repeat the same very process with the other part of the hair as well, just like this. Then attach both of them together with a rubber band and then decorate it with the help of your favorite clutcher. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take another part of the hair from the sides and put it through the gap of the above ponytail. Then keep tying it in the form of plait and then when you are done tying the plaits, repeat the same process of tying the plaits with the other part as well. Crisscross the plaits and then decorate it with your favorite clutcher. It is so similar with the previous video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower half ponytail tightly and then make a gap in between. Give it a circular meshy look and then carefully secure it with the help of a big clutcher. Then take the lower part of the hair and then you can always make your hair look messy by pulling out few or the other strands from above and behind your head just like this. Be slow so that it looks perfect. Thank you for watching.